Hey guys, Daniel here, welcome back to the channel. And today we are going to be changing the rear diff oil on my 2001 BMW 1150 GS. Now BMW recommends you change your rear diff oil every 12,000 miles, 20,000 Ks or 2 years. Whatever comes first. Now I would suggest doing it every time you change the engine oil filter, so every year or 6,000 miles. That's what I will be doing. Now I use this is a Penrite oil. It was on special, 75/85. GL5 oil is what you're looking for. We'll head round the corner and get started. Right guys, so around the back of the bike we've got the rear diff here. You want to give the bike a run, make sure it's nice and warm, which I already have, and then we can go ahead and drain it. Before we pull out the drain bung, we want to always check the fill bung and make sure we can slacken it. If for whatever reason this rounds off or is seized, we want to find out before we drain the oil, so we have an opportunity to fix that before we've got no oil in the diff. It is a 6mm Allen key. Up top for the fill bung. And no worries, that cracks, and then it's a 19mm underneath for the drain. You've got a magnet in here, so just have a good look at the magnet. Nothing on there at all, which is a really good sign. You want to give it a quick clean. Now, I'm not a fan of torquing stuff, but if you are new to this, I would highly recommend that you do. I'm just going to give this a wee nip up, and I'll flash up what the torque is, and I'll leave it in the description. Now, if we take the fill bung out, and we will change the crush washer on this as well. It's going to be hard for you guys to see, but where we want to fill it to is basically the bottom of the threads in there. There's a wee shiny ledge in there. It is very hard for you. Oh, there you go. That's where we want to fill it to. It's roughly 250 mils or so. It's actually quite hard to tell where the oil is. Using a cable tie there just to see if I can get the correct level, and I can see the cable tie going into the oil right at that mark. Yep, it's literally right at that ledge there. So that is good. Now fit the fill bung back in. Okay. Give this a clean down. And we are done. Right guys, that's rear diff oil change on a 2001 BMW R1150 GS. It's the same for all these 1150s, and even the 1100 is the same also. That's a super simple job, anybody can do it, and I would recommend doing it every time you change your oil filter. Right guys, if you found this helpful, give the video a wee thumbs up for me, and I will catch you all next time. See you later.